Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. We've smashed 2,000 subscribers. Thank you ever so much. Hope you find my videos useful. I've had some feedback recently about some of my videos and how helpful it's been, so that's really good to hear. That's what I'm here for. So today we're going to work on the Discovery 2, yet another water leak in the driver's side, and I kind of had a little thought about what it could be, so I'm just going to go and test my theory. So let's go and have a look. Right, so behind this door card should be a plastic membrane. And the idea of the plastic membrane is to stop water that manages to come from in here, behind here, dropping under here. Because if it drops here, it then drops on the sill in here, and then obviously it will work its way into the floor. And that's what I've been getting recently. Well, not recently, for quite a while actually. I'm going to try and test my theory today. Right, so this outside weather seal should be up against the window, but of course, you know, this is well over 20 years old, so the seal is not brilliant. In fact, here you can see it's just full of rust. So I have got a new one coming. Right, so what I'm going to do, I've just propped a little gap there with these trim tools. So I've just propped a little gap with these trim tools just to accentuate the fact that water can get through here. Okay, and then we're going to look to see where it goes. It should go either side of the drip holes at the bottom of the door. However, I don't think it does. So let's have a look. Here you can see it's definitely wet. A little bit coming out the drain hole. But there's definitely water there. There. Definitely coming out the bottom of the door. So let's remove the door card and see what we can find. Right, to remove the door card, first of all, take up this weather strip. This is the internal one, just use a trim tool. It's just held in by those little clips you see there. Okay, I'll do that in a minute. Then some Phillips screws, 2 on the door handle, 1 behind there at the top there, so you can see that, 1 on the top left of the speaker, top right of the bin, and then you've got 1, 2 underneath. That should be it. One. Two. Just a small one there. This will come out. Just remove that like that. Then just using the trim tool, just prise it apart. all the way around. Once you've done that, just lift it off. Just disconnect 2 speaker wires, and there we can see my problem. I have no membrane at all installed, which is a pain. Okay, so we're back on the Discovery door in membrane repair stroke build a new one today. So I bought this, what they call builder sheet, from Screwfix for under £7. It's 4 meters by 3 meters. That's the smallest I could buy. So obviously I've got loads left because I only needed basically 1 by 1 meter square. So this is what it's called. It's just builder sheet. It's 155 microns. It's thick enough. Certainly does the job. So what I've done, I've just measured what I need roughly, pinned it to the door, and then cut round all of the, obviously you have to leave the way the pins go in for the door card, you need to obviously not cover those, and where the screws go in for the door pull, etc. So let me show you what I've done. So here we go, that's the door, and for now I've just used duct tape all the way around, mainly because I've got to take it off to replace this. I will use the proper butty tape in the future, but for now I'm just using this. So you just go all the way around, miss out these, make sure you seal around here, properly sealed at the bottom. So there we go, should have a working vapor barrier there. So I'm just going to try the water test now and just check it works. I'm just going to pour some water down the outside of the weather strip, and hopefully nothing will come out here. That is good. You can see it coming out the drain hole there. Drain hole there. Drain hole here. I hope you like that video. Please think about spider. Hope you like the video. Please comment, like, think about subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.